Hello, 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 everyone. Welcome back to the English Buddy podcast. I'm Sarah, and honestly, I am just so thrilled that you're tuning in today. It feels like a perfect day to dive into some history. Well, our own history.
Right, and I'm Kabir. Hello, buddies. Haha, we are back again. We're your English buddies here to make sure those past tenses don't stay in the past, if you know what I mean. How's everything with you, Sarah?
Oh, things are wonderful, Kabir. Actually, I had the most relaxing morning. I was just sitting on my porch, watching the birds. It was so peaceful. Likewise, I hope our buddies at home are having a peaceful day too.
That sounds lovely. But Sarah, I have to tell you, I had the strangest evening yesterday. It was not peaceful at all.
Oh, really? What happened? Do tell.
Well, okay, so I was trying to cook that new pasta recipe you gave me. You know, the one with the spicy garlic sauce?
Oh, I love that one. It's delicious, right?
Right, exactly. But while I was cooking the sauce, suddenly the power went out. Everything just went black.
Oh, no. What did you do? Did you finish the pasta?
Well, luckily, I found some candles, so I actually finished it by candlelight. It felt like I was living in the 1800s for an hour.
Oh, Kabir, that is so dramatic. But you just used our two target tenses perfectly there. You used the past continuous for the background action and the past simple for the surprise moment. And that, buddies, is exactly what we are looking at today.
Right. So let's start with the bread and butter of the past simple. This is for the stuff that is done, right, Sarah?
Spot on, Kabir. Think of the past simple as a single dot on a timeline. It started, it finished, and it is totally over. Now, we use it for completed actions, like I ate breakfast.
I see. So even if it took me an hour to eat, if I'm just telling you the fact that I did it, I use the simple.
Exactly. It's a finished fact. Likewise, we use it for a series of actions, like I woke up, I drank my coffee, and then I left the house. Boom, boom, boom.
Right. Now, we have to talk about the ed rule. Most verbs are friendly, right? You just add ed. Walk becomes walked, talk becomes talked.
If only it were that easy for all of them. But English loves to have its little surprises, doesn't it? We have the irregular verbs, the rebels.
Oh, tell me about it. You don't say I go to the store, you have to say I went. And you don't say I see the movie, you say I saw.
Exactly. It's all about memory with those ones. I remember when I was a kid, I used to say I swimmed in the pool. My mom would always say, "No, Sarah, you swam."
See, even native speakers start with ed. It's a natural habit.
Now, let's look at the right now of the past continuous. If the past simple is a dot, the past continuous is a long, wavy line.
So it's like setting the scene, like the slow motion part of a movie?
Perfect. We use the formula was or were plus verb plus ing.
Right. So I was walking, they were playing. It feels more alive, doesn't it?
It really does. Imagine you walked into a party yesterday. You want to describe the vibe. You'd say music was playing, people were laughing, and Kabir was dancing on a table.
Hey, I only do that on special occasions, but I get it. It's about what was happening at that specific moment in the past.
Exactly. If someone asks, "What were you doing at 8 p.m.?" They don't want a list of facts. They want to know the action you were in the middle of. I was watching TV.
Okay, so what happens when they both show up in the same sentence, like my pasta story?
That is the interruption, Kabir. It's when a long line gets hit by a dot.
I love that. So the past continuous is the long action that was already going on.
And the past simple is the short action that breaks in.
So I was singing in the shower when I dropped the soap.
Exactly. The singing was the long process and the dropping was the quick dot.
And we usually use when and while here, right?
Right. Usually we use while with the continuous part, while I was driving, and when with the simple part, when I saw the cat.
Right, now I've got it. It's like while the background was happening, this other thing happened. But Sarah, I have a question. What about those state verbs we talked about last time, like love, know, or want?
Oh, they are still rebels, Kabir, even in the past.
So if I wanted a sandwich for 3 hours yesterday, I can't say I was wanting a sandwich?
No, even if it lasted a long time, we still use the past simple for states of mind. You just say, I wanted a sandwich.
That's so interesting. So I knew the answer, not I was knowing the answer.
Right. It sounds a bit funny if you add the ing to those ones. It's just you either knew it or you didn't. Okay, Kabir, let's play a quick game for our listeners. I'll give you a scenario and you tell me the tenses. Ready?
Haha, I was born ready.
Scenario 1. You're in the middle of a dream. Suddenly, your alarm clock rings.
Okay. I was dreaming when my alarm rang.
Perfect. Continuous for the dream, simple for the alarm. Okay, situation 2. You tell a friend about your childhood home.
I lived in a small house near the forest.
Correct, because it's a permanent fact of your past.
Right. Now let me try one for you, Sarah. You see a dog in the park yesterday. It is chasing a ball.
Oh, I'd say the dog was chasing a ball when I saw him.
Haha, spot on. We are getting good at this.
Before we go, we should mention the did trap.
Oh, I hear this one all the time. Did you went to the store?
Right. Remember, buddies, once did shows up in a question, the main verb goes back to its normal present self.
So, did you go?
Exactly. Did already tells us it's the past. It doesn't need any help.
Right. Likewise, don't forget the was and were for the continuous. No saying I working. It has to be I was working.
Okay, buddies, it's time for your challenge.
Right. We want to hear your interruption stories in the comments.
Tell us one thing you were doing yesterday when something else happened. Anything else you want to share about your day, feel free.
For example, I was drinking tea when I spilled it on my shirt.
Oh no, Kabir, not the shirt.
It's okay, it was an old shirt. Anyway, we love reading your comments. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the English Buddy podcast.
Every mistake is just a step toward getting better. Don't be shy.
Haha, absolutely. Thanks for joining us, buddies. Keep practicing.
See you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.